Hi, good morning, everyone. Today's class is web technologies and HTML topic also. And what is web technologies? Web technology is called as a documentation of web page is called any identifying of unique address is called as the uniform resource locators like an URLs or URI also. URI means uniform resource identifier. These both are is called we can connect into www, like that is called worldwide web connectivity. Any file is called as the pages or web pages containing of any information, links, resources through there via any internet point of view. And web pages is called electronic documentation like any written in computer language is called HTML hypertext markup language web pages. This web page is also has HTML documentation. There are two levels of documents. First thing is called static document and second one is called the dynamic web pages. Static web pages and dynamic web pages. And static web page is called completely these are called the flat pages or stationary pages. Flat pages or stationary pages. Static web page is called the complete flat pages or stationary pages means like any web page with delivered to exactly to be stored on the data, like that is called the flat pages, like that is called the flat pages. Second thing is called dynamic web page. This dynamic web page is called the web page with web content also. Dynamic web page is called the web page with web content also, like that is called the various based on parameters providing by user computer programming. And dynamic web page, like an examples, any server side related is supported, like any Java, PHP, and SQL Server also, MySQL and MySQL also. These are called the examples of dynamic web pages. These are the difference in static and dynamic. And second thing is called this URL is called uniform resource locators is called connectivity on the hypertext markup language. This hypertext markup language full form is called HTML full form is called the hypertext markup language. This hypertext markup language is called the completely simply text information, text within text information data. Simply text within text information data. Like in a markup language means like a HTML works. HTML works. Within a markup language is called simple markup means like in a text with the tags and web browser also. Web browser also. Like an HTML is called number of features to be created. Like that is the first feature is called very easy and simple language, like an a very easy and simple language, like an understanding point of view, modifying, editing, these also has supporting and the simple way, like that is the HTML methodology. And second thing is called markup language. This markup language is called providing in the flexible way, like in a flexible designing and web pages along with the text also we can possible. And third thing is called platform independent process. Platform independent process. This platform independent process is called can be displaying of any platform we can support it, like in a Windows, Unix, Linux, etc. These are called as the platforms supported. Any platform is supported in the HTML programs. And next thing is called these HTML one next feature is called the complete graphics, audios, videos, sound, and web pages also as interactive and attractive. Also, we can creating is possible. Creating is possible, and same way it is called very effective and presentations also we can possible in the dynamic web pages. Dynamic web pages. These are called mainly features. And next thing is called advantages of HTML. These advantages is called high flexible and friendly natures. HTML is called the high flexible and friendly nature, like any user friendly format. Second thing is called this is called the open technology. What is open technology?